morning. It's a very cold morning. It's about 3 degrees currently and it's 6:30. Actually, I'm a little late. I had planned to be here at 6, but I just couldn't get out of bed because it was so cold. So I'm on my way to the floating market and I'm actually finally going to see it. This is my 6th trip and every time I plan to go and see it, it just doesn't happen for whatever reason. And now I'm finally going to actually go and see and experience what it is like. So come on, let's go and enjoy and see what this place is like. Meanwhile, I am enjoying the long shikara ride to the market. It's so peaceful right now. There's the whole boulevard road is completely empty and deserted. And because it is so cold, my boatman even got me a blanket to stay warm. They always, in winter months, they always keep a blanket, but today he specially bought this for me to stay warm because he knew it was going to be cold. It's kind of misty today. It's a little foggy and misty. Very misty morning. Well, we have a floating ATM there. Now I can see the first shikara. There's a little fog on the top of the water because the variation in the temperature, it seems. The weather outside is cooler and the water is a bit warm. So that is why there's that little fog-like effect on the water. That's Bilal, my boatman, the shikara man. He was the same guy who even took me on a late evening shikara ride on my last trip in Jan when the entire Dal Lake was frozen. So he had to actually chop the ice with his oar and then our shikara could move forward. That was quite an experience.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
अच्छा फ्लावर चाहिए?
No.
अच्छा फ्लावर सीड्स?
No, I'm good, thank you.
फूल के बीज है.
No, I'm good, thank you. It won't grow in my climate. The best thing about shikara ride so early in the morning is that there's literally nobody around and there's literally hardly any movement, and it is so peaceful. You can hear every single bird chirping and even the water ducks making all kinds of noises. Those are all lotus plants. See, it's all lotus. So the flowering is over because summer is over, but the stem is used, what is very popular in the cuisine here, nadru. The seeds and the lotus stem is used for cooking.
आपको फूल लेना?
नहीं जी, thank
नहीं
you.
लेना जी.
No. These are vegetable fields. They're all on the lake itself, floating.
Flower seed.
Yeah. You got fresh bread. Girda. That guy's selling carrots there.
Yeah, she get paid.
Well, I'm glad I finally made it to the floating market. Now it's almost kind of over because most of the guys have already left. So it was nice to be in the middle of it and watching all these guys trading and selling their vegetables. Now there are just a few of them left, so I just came up here. But when they were in the middle of it all, I was there, so I was kind of enjoying it. Guys are literally chilling over here. They're enjoying their morning tea. There are still a few vegetable vendors, still have some of their veggies left. So I guess they're still hanging around. Most of them have already bought and left. So if you want to catch this market, you've got to be here really early. I was slightly late, but I still managed to get quite a bit of it. But I guess if you're here still earlier, like maybe around 6:30 or so, that's when it's like in the thick of things. The sun is just starting to peep from behind the mountain. Got some hot kava here, and these are all the spices.
It's 15 varieties mix.
Okay.
Almond, walnut, cashew nut, honey, saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, chai patti, shangram, kazaban, shanger, or rose leaves, nimbu.
Okay, so the kava is made out of all these ingredients. Nice.
All item mix samawa.
Samawa. Okay.
4 items cup, honey and almond, walnut, cashew nut.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice. अच्छा जब से कोविड हो गया
हाँ मैंने सोचा बच्चों का टाइम ज़ाया हो गया मैं फ़िलहाल ये काम करूँगा क्योंकि ये सही काम है मीठा कम ज़्यादा
नॉर्मल हाँ नॉर्मल I'm getting some nice hot kava. I need the kava to beat the cold.
Very hot cold.
It's nice and hot.
This is another item. Samawar, Kashmiri.
Yes. I have noon chai.
Yes, yes. Change है 50 rupees.
Yes. I'll just give you.
मैं दे दूं
नहीं है एक मिनट हाँ जरा पकड़ना
myself and selling outside.
So this is a floating jewelry
Yes,
store.
it's a floating shop.
Floating shop.
Yes. Maybe you'll actually something nice for you. Something unique because I see you have nice taste about the rings.